Now, with a completed news release on hand, your next step is to release the news so that it reaches the right target audience and they can go to your site to buy your product or services. How it works is very simple. A press release site distributes press releases to reach journalists and publishers who then pick up the story and feature it in their publication, be it digital or physical. It then gains visibility, which in turn attracts potential new customers to your product or service. Most press release sites provide you with a report on the statistics of your press release. There are many press release sites out there offering different features and benefits and pricing. For example purposes, we will be using one of the popular release sites, PR.com. At PR.com, sign up for a free account. You will be guided through the process, which takes less than 10 minutes. Once you're done creating the account, you are now ready to submit your press release. Click on the button and follow the step-by-step guide on the process. When you have filled in all the required details, proceed to the payment stage. Select a payment which suits your budget. You may also select the free option, which has distribution at a lower level. It reaches to general search engines in PR.com, some news websites, third-party websites, and RSS feeds. Once completed, you've now successfully uploaded your press release.